How to make carousel post on Instagram. Carousel post means you want to post a post with multiple pictures in it. To do so, it's very simple. Open up Instagram. Once you open up Instagram, just make sure to log in to your respective account. Tap on the plus icon from the very bottom of the screen. Then make sure you're under post. If you want to make multiple posts or carousel post, you have to tap on this little icon, which is this double like icon right here. When you tap on it, then only you will be able to select multiple posts from here. If you don't tap that, you will not be able to select multiple posts. So once you select multiple amount of posts that you want to make, just hit the next option. So you can see I've added many photos to this post, and hence this becomes a carousel post. So now I can tap on next. Then I can confirm the changes and tap the post button to post it. This way I can make carousel posts on Instagram. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.